Isla, say hi. Say hi. We're wearing Christmas jammies even though it's not Christmas. Sue me. Ah, crap, I still didn't do an intro. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle Abasha. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment, and show me some love. And this is Kobe. And this is Io. So I was kind of throwing a pity party for myself, I'm not gonna lie. I was looking up all these YouTube videos and I got all mopey and sad because all the popular videos are these girls with beautiful long hair, and it's like all these different styles that you can do with your beautiful long hair. And I just cut my hair off and I'm like,
Of course, they had to start a YouTube video right after I cut off all my hair.
and then I gave myself an attitude check and I said, Danielle, you gotta work with what you have. There are other people with short hair out there. I'm talking to you. Wait, where's the... Okay, so that makes it look like I'm looking off that way. So actually when I'm looking at myself, it looks like I'm looking at you, I think. Yeah, I'll work on that. Because I'm here for you. All you short hair girls. All you girls that chopped off all your hair because it was quarantine and you were sick of it and you were just decided it was time for something new. Or all of you who just broke up with your boyfriend and decided to cut your hair off. Or, you know, any other reason that we as women just cut our hair off. Sometimes it's just because we like it and it's fun. We like it and it's fun. We like it and it's fun. Okay, so I'm here for you. We're doing another just ways to style your hair kind of video. I'm gonna do a little bit of braiding and I wanna just do like a little braid on either side. So I'm gonna do that style and maybe that's all I'm gonna do today. I have no plan. Probably one of these days I'm gonna get organized and that's probably when these videos will be better. Yeah, okay. All right, Bella, you gotta go to the side. Say bye, people. You gotta look at the people. Look at the people. Look at the people. Look at them. All right. I don't like to overly do a part because I feel like that's when you get like a line in there, then you can see the part. So my goal today is that I'm kind of not feeling like when this is tucked, you see how long it is? I'm kind of not feeling like, ugh, it's so long back there. I want it to be like kind of tucked back. So I'm separating it, kind of parting it. I wanna make sure that this top part is not in it because I want that to fall over top of. So I'm gonna get myself a clip so I can clip this top part back. I'm going to do a Dutch braid, inside out braid, whatever you guys want to call it. So we separate into 3 pieces. This is not really a braid tutorial. I know I've said that I'm gonna do a braid tutorial. I was struggling with how to do it, having my short hair, and that was where part of where my little pity party came from. But I'm better now, so maybe soon. Separate into 3 pieces, right? And you're adding hair in, right? And with the inside out ones, you go underneath. With a regular braid, you go on top. Inside out, you go underneath. He's fine. He just likes making those noises. Okay, so this part, I really want all the long pieces here in it. So even though my whole front is done, I'm gonna still work my way back a little bit with my braid. And the rest of that I think is lying nice. Okay, and then I like just finish the braid off, so I'm not adding pieces, I'm just finishing that off, right? Really though, which way is it that I'm looking at you? The problem is when I look at the camera, I can't see what it looks like with my eyes, but I feel like right now it looks like I'm looking like, so I need to look at the camera. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the rest of this video looking at the camera when I'm talking to you and see if that's where I'm supposed to look or if am I supposed to look at myself? Camera, myself, camera, myself, camera, myself. I don't know. Okay, next thing that we do is I'm gonna pull out some of this braid. I just kind of want it to look not totally flat. Then I'm gonna crisscross my bobby pin. Every bobby needs a buddy. So they're making an X and that helps them to stay in a little bit better. All right, so now, I'm not gonna lie, I still am not a huge fan of how it's laying. Maybe I just need to wash it and start over with my life. Remember, hairspray and texture spray, guys. Hairspray, texture spray. Get into it. Next side, we're gonna do the same thing. 3 strands, going underneath, going underneath. Now this side needs to go underneath. I'm gonna add some hair to it first because it wants a friend. Okay, going underneath. Everybody holds braids differently. So if that's too confusing for you, then find your own way of doing it. The goal is just to, every time you put one under, you're putting it under and it has a friend to go underneath with, because it's scary under there and it needs a friend. We're gonna pull some of this braid out. This one doesn't have as much hair, so it's not as thick as the other one. So I'm gonna pull this one out a little bit more than I pulled the other one out. Capiche? Paposh. Some more bobby pins. Crisscross applesauce. Let it go, let it go. I feel like I should put this part in the braid because that's really long. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna tuck it where I took the other braid, and I'm gonna add this bobby pin to the other 2 bobby pins and pin that in there. Yes, that's right. Yeah, yeah. That's more the look I was going for. Yeah. Okay. A detail that you should pay attention to when you're styling your hair, maybe this is stupid, maybe I'll cut this part out, I don't know, is what shape does it look like at the front and at the side? So, okay. So at the front, I feel like I'm looking flat here and my sides are puffy, and I don't really like that. Put some texture spray on top. Okay. Not a great hair day for Danielle. To give myself a little bit of height there, and I'm gonna tuck these sides a little bit more because I am not going for the, if it's flat on top and big on the sides, it almost looks like the guy who's bald on top with hair on the sides. That's not a cute shape, you know, it's not a cute look. So we want cute. We wanna be cute! Okay. And then I'm gonna spray those sides just to make sure they stay like that. Okay, so I'm happier with my shape in the front because my sides aren't sticking out crazy. Now what's my shape from the side? This side is cute. It's closer to my head here and it kind of goes up. That's the shape I'm going for. This side, I'm gonna tuck a little bit extra. So once I get it there, spray it in pretty good. Okay, this is, oh. You're not supposed to be chewing on makeup brushes. So I think I am digging this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of how to give yourself a little, I don't know what to call it because it's not really like a headband braid, but it's like, kind of, because they braided it on both sides. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Say bye. Bye, people. Bye, people. Bye.